Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just out here at a, well, if you saw yesterday's video, I'm out here at a side of the road campsite near the airfield. I'm gonna do a grilled sandwich. I'm still kicking around the name because I'm using American cheese, Canadian bacon, and sourdough, but I got nothing to represent Mexico, since I think Mexico technically is connected to North America. I got nothing Mexican other than my love for tacos. I do love me some tacos, but well, we'll work on it. But let's get cooking. So I got my skillet here. This is the one with the handle that comes off. Sadly, they're not on Amazon anymore, so I must have bought either the last one or one of the last ones. I haven't checked lately though to see if they had any more, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of olive oil. Even though I'm gonna use butter, but I'm gonna use a little bit of both. This is just a, I've talked about this in a few videos. It's just a metal bottle that had a squirt, like a sprayer on top, but I took, and then another container had this cap and then like some plastic bottle. Threw the sprayer away, the plastic bottle away, and I ended up with a cap and something to carry olive oil in. That's stainless steel. So pretty sweet. I got actually got some unsalted butter. Just got this from home. Since it's going to be too hard to put it in a cooler. It's going to be too hard to spread on bread. So I'm just going to throw it in the pan, let it melt, and then throw the bread right in the butter. Kind of just waiting on my butter, taking its own sweet time. I might have thrown a little bit in, but the bread's gonna soak up, you know, a good bit of it. So there we go. Canadian bacon. There's a little close up. We gotta check that bread, make sure it's not getting too done. I don't really need to cook that Canadian bacon, I just want to, you know, heat it up. You know, if I could build my own fire pit, like, I would love to own land, but I wouldn't have all this raggedy ass rocks going around. I'd actually have like something square and smooth, maybe elevated a little bit, so you're not having to walk over uneven areas. 'Cause I almost fell when I was like stirring it. I think it was off camera, but I put my foot down on one of the rocks over here and damn near fell backwards. Annoying. Of course, if I did fall, I would have left it in video. All right, I want to get this. All right, now I need to need to put the top on it. And I may need to add more butter when I flip it. Well, it's got some nice coloration, I'll tell you that. Alright, I'll get this. Alright, now I need to put the top on it. And I may need to add more butter when I flip it. Well, it's got some nice coloration, I'll tell you that. My fire's going out. Hopefully it'll be hot enough to finish the sandwich off. I'm just sitting here waiting on my sandwich. I probably won't need to add more fuel. Probably wouldn't hurt to stir the stuff around, but I don't want to bring up all the ash and it'll get all over my sandwich. As long as it's hot enough to roll the other side. The cheese is already kind of starting to melt. Plus I heated up the Canadian bacon. And then and plus whatever oil was left in the pan, plus that little bit of butter I added, it was probably like 1/3 of an ounce, I think. So, all right, let's check the underside of that sandwich. I didn't even add any fuel to the fire. I've added nothing. It's barely even brown. It's not undercooked, but it's. Let's see here. Come on. Put it right in the coals for a moment. It's probably done enough, but I just want to make sure it's all the way done. I guess so. I think my fire actually went out. It's a little disappointing. I probably should have batoned some of those bigger pieces and just at least in half or maybe in quarters. Probably would have burned a lot better. But I was only thinking, well, I'm just grilling a sandwich, so maybe I don't need a big. And I didn't. I mean, we'll take a look at it. Probably good enough. Yeah, I'll call that. Let's eat. Here's how she looks. Doesn't look too bad. Well, if I had cheese on this side, it would have been. Let's see. Hang on. Yeah. It's almost like fry bread. I watch Beard Meats Food a lot. And he eats fry bread because he's, you know, over there across the pond. So I looked it up. It's basically just bread that's fried in butter. So that's about it. It's actually pretty good. I've made it a couple times. Gotta do the 1 bite rule. It's not really my rule. It's actually Shane Coffey's rule. Hope you're doing well, brother. I haven't seen much of you in a while. Except on Facebook, but not on YouTube. know what really would have made this sandwich good? Two eggs. That would have been really good in here. I did think of the eggs too, and then I thought of it, but then I forgot later on. A little hot. And very buttery. I should have grabbed a napkin, but fortunately I've got a bandana in my pocket. Or I just take it out and wash it. So I can push record and stop recording so I have to watch me eat. So I have to confess, I feel a little bit bad about not representing Mexico in this sandwich because technically they're on North America. But I was wondering what would go good on here. I gotta have it represent Canada. Although, is Alaska considered? No. Alaska's not considered North America, is it? It's connected to Canada. Wow, I don't remember. Well, anyway, I thought it might be fun to do like an open tag on this and see what you guys come up with. I think I could throw a couple slices of linguiça on here, but I don't know if that's Mexican or not either. Wow. I'm geographically confused in this video. The sandwich tastes awesome though, I'll tell you that. Some pepper jack would have been really good. And I forgot my Texas Pete. A few drips over the cheese. Wow. Open tag. Let's see you make one. It's springtime, the weather's nice, you can do it at the park. Hell, you can do it at home. Cast iron, do it on your deck. I don't know what the weather's going to do next weekend, but maybe I can go to the park and take another shot at this. Because I do like to eat. So, guess I'll end it here today. I've made myself look foolish enough. Made my geographic confusion. So, anyway, I mean, respect to Mexico. I mean, I love tacos. I've worked with some really cool guys and gals, so, you know, no disrespect. But, yeah, so thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.